Let's not go crazy today. Easy now, we'll find a way. Where are we even going? Somewhere warm in the low south, slow going. No highways, old roads breathing. Small towns drifting past the ceiling. Questions float like paper boats. You drive on while I mind the notes. Do you ever wonder why we roam? Have returned to be a kind of home. If you sing, I'll hold the frame. Hush now, keep it light, keep it tame. Soft light, long lines, we're barely speaking. Soft laugh, safe signs. The day is easy, you lean, I lean. Two voices in one lane. We drift, we breathe, and nothing needs a name. Fields hum low, a harbor sleeping. Boats like secrets no one's keeping. Not today, don't push our luck, it's fine. You smile, the gate's not shut. We circle once and let it go. Eyes wink back to the road. You're the calm behind my grin. You're the spark I let in. Do you ever wonder why we roam? Every turn could be a kind of home. If I fade, will you still stay? Home, the lines that light the way. Soft light, long lines, we're barely speaking. Soft laugh, safe signs. The day is easy, you lean, I lean. Two voices in one lane. We drift, we breathe, and nothing needs a name. Long lines, we're barely speaking. Soft laugh, safe signs. The day is easy, you lean, I lean. Two voices in one lane. We drift, we breathe, and nothing needs a name. Let's not go crazy today. Easy now, we found our